Well, we felt a warm up, and it has come with widespread wet weather, and as we expected, fog that developed through the afternoon. So here's where we're going to go the rest of the evening. A couple light showers, a little bit more in the form of just a light drizzle, and temperatures that will stay above freezing the entire night tonight. Areas of fog may continue, but I don't expect it's going to be that really dense fog for most areas. It is a little thicker, though, up across the state line. North up into Monroe County, parts of Lenawee County, it's been fairly thick much of the afternoon. Visibility, it's lower, but really doesn't impact travel all that much across most of the area. An example of outlooks, the Jet Express cam, some of that Lake Erie ice coverage, which had expanded fairly rapidly over the past couple of weeks. Now starting to see a little bit of a thaw out there as temperatures have warmed up into the 40s. And we even have gotten a few areas that have climbed well into the upper 40s. Look at Findlay, 49 degrees. Spring feel across the area. Match that with 50 over toward Ottawa, 48 in Defiance. Compared to Hillsdale at 39 degrees. Coolest spot Monroe where the fog is thicker, 37 degrees, and mid-40s even extend to our lakeshore areas with a warmer southwest wind. Area of low pressure drifting just north of us right now, and I do suspect we'll still get a little more fog tonight. Here's the hour-by-hour forecast, keeping at least low visibility, but not that type of visibility that really causes major travel issues around through tomorrow morning, and then that should be lifting into the afternoon tomorrow. Next up, more rain's going to be out there late week, and here comes a storm system that will bring a couple more chances of rain late week and into the weekend. Here's Thursday night, right around 7 p.m. Rain arriving into the area, and it's an area of low pressure that will drift into the Great Lakes region. So rain Thursday night becomes a little heavier into Friday morning. Lingering showers Friday afternoon, then a kicker system, secondary system that brings that next round of rain and more cloud cover into the start of the weekend on Saturday. I still think we're going to be in store for about a half to 3/4 of an inch of rain. Could get a few spots to get close to an inch of rain, and much of this falls Thursday night into Friday and then continues into Saturday. Isolated showers or drizzle tonight. Patchy fog down to 34 degrees, so stay above freezing tonight. Back into the 40s tomorrow. Be another gloomy day, mostly cloudy skies. Peak or two of late day sun is going to be possible. Low 50s after a little bit of morning sun on Thursday. Rain chances return late Thursday afternoon and evening. 50s around for Friday, but rain still going to be likely. More showers, more cloud cover into the start of the weekend Saturday. We start the Saturday in the 40s. It will fall back into the 30s on Sunday. Cold enough we get a few snow flakes, nothing that would accumulate, and then most of next week as we dive into the middle of January holds right around average for this time of the year in the mid-30s.